Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Exporting data from SQL Server 2005 to MySQL involves several steps, including data extraction, transformation, and loading. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process using SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS, to export data from SQL Server 2005 to MySQL. SSIS is a powerful ETL, extract, transform, load, tool provided by Microsoft. We'll assume you have both SQL Server 2005 and MySQL installed and configured on your system. Note, SQL Server 2005 is an outdated version, and it's recommended to use a more recent version if possible, as SQL Server 2005 is no longer supported by Microsoft. However, this tutorial will still work for versions up to SQL Server 2014. For compatibility with newer versions, you may need to adjust some settings and steps. Open SQL Server Data Tools, SSDT. Click on File-New-Project. Select Integration Services Project under the Business Intelligence templates. Give your project a name and click OK. In the SSIS project, right-click on the SSIS Packages folder, then choose New SSIS Package to create a new package. In the Control Flow tab, drag and drop a data flow task from the SSIS toolbox onto the design surface. Double-click the Data Flow task to enter the Data Flow tab. Drag and drop an OLEDB source from the SSIS toolbox onto the design surface. Double-click the OLEDB source to configure it. Choose the OLEDB Connection Manager to connect to your SQL Server 2005 database. Write an SQL query to select the data you want to export from SQL Server 2005. Click OK to save the configuration. Drag and drop an OLEDB destination from the SSIS toolbox onto the design surface. Double-click the OLEDB destination to configure it. Choose the OLEDB Connection Manager to connect to your MySQL database. If it's not available, create a new one by configuring a connection to your MySQL database. Select the destination table in your MySQL database. Map the source columns to the destination columns. Click OK to save the configuration. In the Solution Explorer, right-click the SSIS package and choose Execute Package. The data will be extracted from SQL Server 2005, transformed, if necessary, and loaded into MySQL. Connect to your MySQL database using a MySQL client, example MySQL Workbench. Query the MySQL table to verify that the data has been successfully transferred. Congratulations! You've successfully exported data from SQL Server 2005 to MySQL using SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS. Keep in mind that this tutorial provides a basic overview, and you can customize and enhance the process according to your specific requirements. ChatGPT.